So welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys know I am a fan of Brown Sugar Babe. I have been rocking them for a couple years now, and I have got 5 new oils that I need to share with you guys. Okay, these are the last 5 oils that was released in the year 2024. I am super excited. Some of them have been released months ago. I just didn't get the chance to unbox them, but today that changes. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here is Sweetest Taboo, and I will put the notes right here. So Sweetest Taboo is inspired by Yulica's Parfum Noda Sugar. Okay, I've actually been hearing a lot about Noda Sugar lately on my timeline, so I'm really curious what that perfume really entails. And a very popular fragrance right now. The fragrance notes are pineapple, caramel, coconut, raspberry, almond, vanilla, tonka bean musk, and heliotrope. You have that sweetness, you have that fruitiness, you have that musk and vanilla. Just gives you all the feels, y'all. I actually did my husband's pedicure last night, and the end of the pedicure, after I put on his foot cream, I actually topped it off with this, and he immediately said, wow, this thing smells amazing. So this one is really nice. It's very soft, very sensual. It smells like a really warm embrace. I actually really do like this one. Again, this is called Sweetest Taboo, and so far I love this a lot. Now they also sent me the Sweetest Taboo oil diffuser. So a little diffuser oil. This is my first time ever seeing this or having a diffuser oil, and they also sent me a scent diffuser. So we're gonna try that at the end of this video, and this is what it looks like. But I thought that was so cute, so thank you so much, Brown Sugar Babe family. I really appreciate that. I will be using this in my beauty room, so I cannot wait to try that out. All right, so here is the next box. So this one I'm super excited for because this one has not 1, not 2, but 3 body. This is from the It's Me season collection. So exciting. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is nice. I need to get my phone to take a picture of this. All right, so this is what the PR package looks like. Ugh, it's so big. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm blown away. Hold on, I gotta take a picture. And just blessed that I was able to even be on their PR list, like little old me. I cannot believe they even recognized me. This little booklet. Oh my gosh. It's Me season by Brown Sugar Babe. It has the 3 fragrances, the 3 body oils: Kiss Me, Touch Me, and Marry Me. This is what they're showing right here. Oh my gosh. How cute. Oh my gosh, I'm about to use this tonight. So we got a mug. All right, there's our 3 oils. So we have Kiss Me, Touch Me, and then we have Marry Me. Guys. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. This is the first time a brand has ever put my name on something. Not my name. Oh. Look at this, guys. This is just so cute. It's a small thing, but it means so much to me because being a content creator, I want to create. I'm a creative person, and I've always been, since as long as I can remember. Like even in middle school, I was creating makeup looks and things and creating collages on MySpace. So like I have wanted to be a content creator for a very long time. I am finally actually being that. Not full-time yet, but I know it's coming, and this right here just really gave me like almost like a vision of my future self in a way. Like this is what it's going to be. This is what this is showing me. Like my hard work is going to pay off in such an amazing way where I can give back to my family, give back to my friends. Oh my gosh, give back to my church, give back to the homeless. Like I cannot wait until I'm just so financially free that I can do so many things. I don't know, guys, this is just such a surreal moment, and I want to really give a huge shout out to Makita and the Brown Sugar Babe family, because you guys may not know, you guys allowing me to be on your PR list was the most surreal thing, because this is truly, I have gotten gifts from brands, okay? I've gotten gift collabs, which I'm gonna stop doing. I've gotten, you know, TikTok shop things, but this is the first official, or the second official brand where I'm getting these packages and gifts to promote for them simply because they saw me. I'm gonna have to save the rest for another video, y'all. But anyways, so yeah, there's also a t-shirt. Oh my god, this is such a surreal. I got my notebook, I got my pen. This is about to be my content creation notebook. I'm gonna keep this for all my content creation ideas. This just serves as a reminder that with God, all things are possible. I've always wanted to do this, and here I am walking into this door. So anyways, okay, let's get into it. Enough of the sappiness. We have been long-winded. Into Kiss Me. So Kiss Me is inspired by Bulgari Allegra Balsami. And that is gardenia, vanilla, and amber. Okay, I can just imagine what this smells like. Oh, guys, also do not forget Brown Sugar Babe also now sells pumps. Okay, I'm gonna go get like a pack of 30 pumps and just change all of my tops to pumps, because it's just more and more accessible and, you know, convenient. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is for my floral girlies. Oh my goodness, talk about, y'all, that amber and vanilla mixed with the floral. I'm not a floral girl. All my friends know I'm not a floral girl, but this, oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is literally a 10 out of 10. Get Kiss Me, ladies. Get Kiss Me, get Kiss Me, get Kiss Me. This is a beautiful gift. If you want to surprise somebody with a beautiful gift, get Kiss Me. I love this 10 out of 10. It smells like a bouquet of flowers sitting in a water that is filled with vanilla. Oh my gosh. They did that. Kiss Me is a 10 out of 10. Next we have Touch Me, which is inspired by Sol de Janeiro 87. All right, it has coconut milk, salt, ling ling, tuberose, vanilla, and amber. Another one that has vanilla and amber. So versatile scents. You can wear them all year round, but that vanilla and amber are perfect things for the fall time. So again, this is Touch Me, and it is inspired by Sol de Janeiro 87. Ooh. Do I have 87? I have a couple Sol de Janeiros. Wow, this one, you know what this one will go perfectly with? What is it called? I would actually really wear Touch Me with Minya Coco Lush by Paris Corner. Y'all, these smell very, oh my gosh, these smell very, very similar. I know it's inspired by Sol de Janeiro, but this combination, if you are looking for a real sweet tropical lush vibe, this right here, Touch Me by Brown Sugar Babe and Minya Coco Lush by Paris Corner. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this. I'm gonna give Touch Me a 10 out of 10. And the last one in this package is called Marry Me. Ooh wee. Now this one I have got to try, because I have Kayali's Vanilla Silk Santal finally, and baby, that perfume, I wish I had it for my wedding day, period. I really, really wish I had vanilla Kayali's Silk Santal for my wedding. But this one has so many notes, okay? It has champagne, freesia, blackcurrant, nectarine, pink praline, jasmine, damask rose, orange blossom, musk, santal, oakwood, vanilla essence. Okay, let me grab my Kayali real quick so I can make sure. Yeah, it has this almost the same notes. Champagne, freesia, praline. Yeah, so this is it. Let's try Marry Me, because what? This is our first Kayali inspired oil. Listen, if you have any of your friends getting married this year, oh my gosh, yes. Yes, yes, and yes. When I tell you these are spot on fragrances, this right here, the Marry Me and the Silk Santal, imagine this together. I am going to get this for my friend. She's getting married. I'm gonna get this for her. I need to make a note of that right now. Brown Sugar Babe did their thing on this launch. We are finally at the last package, and this one is super special as well because this one is the collaboration. The collaboration of the year. Okay, if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is the collaboration of the year. Okay, you guys, this is the collaboration of the year. Milky Way, Brown Sugar Babe, X Rox Slay. You guys, Roxy got her own collaboration with Brown Sugar Babe. It's chef's kiss and I ain't even smell it yet. Let's get into it, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's been such a long time coming. I should have opened this 1,000 years ago, but here I am opening it in what, November? But it's cool. All right, so we have Milky Way, y'all. I'm so proud of Roxy. Roxy, if you are watching this, girl, I am so proud of you. You definitely deserve this collaboration. I actually really love commodity milk, but I never actually got it, so I got it in the oil. Okay, so the fragrance notes are milk, marshmallow musk, tonka bean, and mahogany. Oh, I love that already. Oh my gosh, I'm keeping this little card. I'm keeping forever. Okay, so shout outs to my girl Roxy. Girl, I am super excited for you and your collaboration. I know what this is. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, how freaking cute, you guys. Milky Way, Brown Sugar Babe, a little milk carton. I love this. What can I put in here? I'm gonna put a little fall drink in here. Period. Thank you guys so much. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Talk about branding. Okay, we love that. All right, so again, we have Milky Way, and it is milk, marshmallow musk, tonka bean, mahogany. Oh, talk about creamy. Oh my gosh. What in the world? Whoa. What is going... Wait a minute now. Hold on. It's the mahogany. It's the mahogany. The mahogany is so rich and deep. Oh, not even gonna cap. This would be absolutely amazing on a man as well. Oh my gosh, if my husband wore these, no, I'm obsessed. This is amazing. 10 out of 1,000 out of 10 for Milky Way. Roxy, you did that. Brown Sugar Babe, y'all did that. Y'all, this one smells amazing. Again, it has milk, marshmallow, musk, tonka bean, vanilla, and mahogany. The mahogany smells so buttery and woody. It's just like a real, it smells like warm milk by the fireside. That's what this smells like. Oh, this is amazing. Roxy, y'all did that. Look at the little illustration. It's so cute too. All right, I love it. 10 out of 10. All right, so that is it for the 5 new body oils that I got from Brown Sugar Babe. You guys, all of them were a hit. If I had to tell you to choose at least 2 of them from this video, 100% get Milky Way and Marry Me. Those 2 are the ones that stand out to me the most. All of them are amazing though. They're all sweet, they're all sensual, they're all warm, they're all cozy, they're all long lasting. They all smell amazing. But if you had to pick only 2, Marry Me and Milky Way are gonna be your best bet, my girl. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below what are your favorite Brown Sugar Babe body oils, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Oh.